Hi. Let's see an important Microsoft Excel function called SUMIF. I have opened an Excel sheet here. We have some data in a table. Here we have several subjects, like history, maths and science. In the column A, we have the student names. And in column B, we have the marks scored by those students. So for example, student A scored 50 marks in history, student B scored 55 marks in history, and so on. I want to calculate the total marks of each student. So the total marks would be marks in history, plus marks in maths, plus marks in science. How do we do that? The answer is the SUMIF function. Here, I have calculated the total marks of each student using the SUMIF function. Let's see how the function works. If I click this cell, you can see the SUMIF function formula written over here. The first argument of this function is the range upon which we want to add a criterion. Since I want the total marks of each student, and the student names are displayed in column A, therefore, the criteria range is in column, from row number 2 to row number 17. So that's the first argument written here. A2 to A17. The second argument is the criteria itself. Here we will write the name of the student. So here, the name is A. The third argument is the range upon which we want to do the summation. Since we want to add the marks and the marks are written in column B, therefore, the range is in column B, from row number 2 to row number 17. So that's the third argument written here. B2 to B17. So that's how we get this 153 figure. If you add the marks of student A manually, you will see that the answer is indeed 153. Similarly, if I click this cell, you can see the SUMIF formula here. The first and third arguments are the same as before. The second argument is now B, as we want to calculate the total marks of student B. And the result is 136. Similarly, this is the SUMIF formula for student C. So that's it. That's how you can use the SUMIF function in Microsoft Excel. Thank you.